Wagwan people, wagwan. Everybody good, everybody alright? Viewers and subscribers. Yeah, we have a banger today. So as the title says here, today we are going to talk about Shenseea video and the demonic stuff them were revealed tonight, and the demonic stuff them where you might miss, and you probably watch a video innocently and you never see them things here, but we are going to talk about them and we're going to bring them to light and we're going to show the people them what go on. So just stay tuned, people. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, tell a friend for tell a friend. Just do the right thing now, peeps. Stay tuned. Thanks for staying, people. So make a jump in it. That picture the way you see on your screen, yeah, with the man laid down right there, so that's the very first thing we presented itself in the video. That is obviously a sacrifice being done, and the man laying right there. Look what going on, people. Now, next thing we want to miss, if you notice that the scene there where Shenseea have the thing about the rubber looking thing over her face. If you know the Baphomet sign, or if you do any research on the Baphomet sign, yeah, you're gonna know, say, yo, definitely that the Baphomet sign right there. Look on it good. Now, look in our background, people. Right? Looking at the background now and telling me if you know, say, yo, that signify hell. To me, that look like the devil in a hell, right? That's how it look like to me, right? But nevertheless, more you comment in the comment section and tell me what your thoughts on it, right? However, moving on now, we are moving on to another scene. I'm sure say, yo, you never pick up one. Now look on her with the serpent, right? Or the snake, as probably that somebody that look on it and say the innocent looking snake. That is not no just innocent looking snake, you know. Now look in our background, if you notice, say, yo, that is the Garden of Eden. You remember back in the days, Adam and Eve, the serpent they come give Adam, give Eve the apple for eat and all of that. You don't remember? Yeah, me tell you now. Yeah, if you never know, you can go read the Bible if you're from Christian, if a Christian family, Christian background. If you're not from a Christian background, you can Google it and you will know. From the Garden of Eden and the serpent and such and such. Yeah, so if you take a close look, you will realize exactly what go on, people. Now, this are my findings from it. Now, the next thing what we are going to do is we are going to highlight some comments where they see under the video, and these comments are from random people. I hide them name and stuff just to prove said, and I may not be biased, may not pick on the artist, may not do nothing. I just want to know that I'm the only person share this a point of view here. So I go put it out there now and we talk about and so you can have a look at the comments, people. So just look what I go on.